In this video, I will show you how to fix Snipping Tool not working on Windows 11. So let's get started. First, go to Open CMD and then right click, Run as Administrator. Then click Yes. Then here, we're going to type in sfc /scan now. Then just run it. This will scan your entire PC for any problems and fix them. So just give it some time. Once it's finished, just close this and then go to Settings, click Settings, go to Apps and then Installed Apps. Then here we're going to wait for this and then search Snipping. Now this is the Snipping tool. Click on the three dots, click Advanced Options, then scroll down. You have to click Repair. Wait for this to repair it. Then click on Reset. So click Reset here. Okay, and then if you see this, that's fine. Like you can click repair again and then just make it repair. And then once you have done that, exit and then go to Task Manager. Then we're going to search for Snipping Tool. If you don't see it, that's fine. If you see it, then just right click on it and then click End Task. Then you just close this now. And now go back to Search and then click on Settings. And then we have to go to System, then Notifications. Make sure you have notifications enabled. Then you have to scroll down. Now we need to find the snipping tool here. So search for it. So here's the snipping tool around the top. Make sure the notifications for it is enabled. And now you can go ahead and try to use the snipping tool, and this should work for you. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.